In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link to your email in Omnisend. Whether you're running a marketing campaign or sending out your monthly newsletter, including an easy-to-find unsubscribe option is not only a best practice, but it also builds trust with your recipients. So, let's get started and enhance your email content to keep it user-friendly and compliant with regulations. First, you need to open your web browser and search for Omnisend. Make sure you are entering the correct web address to access the platform. Once you've reached the site, you'll want to log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to Omnisend and haven't created an account yet, you should set one up to begin using their email marketing features. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From there, navigate to the Campaigns section, which allows you to select and open up your specific email campaign using the Omnisend editor. This editor is a powerful tool that helps you design professional and visually appealing emails. Within the editor, locate the option for adding various elements to your email. In this case, you'll want to drag and drop a button block into your email. This feature makes it really simple to customize and position elements exactly where you want them. For the Buttons function, select the Unsubscribe link from the Dynamic Content options. By doing so, the unsubscribe feature is automatically set, making the process seamless and ensuring all the necessary back-end functionalities are correctly applied. Next, you'll need to choose the Unsubscribe link from the Dynamic Content options available in the link panel. This dynamic attribute ensures that each user receives a personal unsubscribe link tied directly to them, which is crucial for individual preference handling. Once you've set the functionality of the button or link, don't forget to customize its appearance to match your brand's aesthetics. Personalizing the design may involve changing the button's color, shape, text, or size. While doing so, consider making it easily noticeable without overpowering other elements. This prevents it from being accidentally ignored by users who wish to manage their subscription preferences. And there you have it. With these steps, your emails will now feature a clear unsubscribe option, aligning with email marketing best practices and respecting user preferences. Giving your audience control over their subscription status not only helps maintain a trustworthy relationship, but can also improve your email engagement rates over time. Remember, having this feature is a small but meaningful step toward more effective communication with your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!